Hello everyone, today we're gonna see a comparison between Cash App versus Robinhood. Let's start with Cash App, originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers. Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about Robinhood. This app was designed specifically for trading and investing. You can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and a range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Robinhood also introduced retirement accounts, recurring investments, and Robinhood Gold, which gives you access to research tools and margin trading. The interface is also sleek and modern, but it's more geared toward users who want a full investing experience. That includes real-time market data, performance tracking, and financial news. It's ideal if you're looking to take investing more seriously or diversify your portfolio. So use Cash App if you want a simple app for sending money, occasional stock or Bitcoin investing, and a smooth all-in-one financial tool. Or go with Robinhood if you're more focused on investing and want access to more assets, tools, and insights, and don't mind the slightly steeper learning curve. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.